a cost-friendly 5-star hotel on Singapore's famous Orchard Road. Unbox Royal Plaza on Scott's Hotel. Great location near the shopping avenue. Is this truly a 5-star hotel room? How about the breakfast buffet?
Hi, I'm TreePapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TreePapa's channel, and greetings from Singapore. A city is famous for both tourist and business. Today we will stay at Royal Plaza on Scott's, a 5-star hotel located just steps away from the iconic Orchard Road. Before we reveal the room tour and breakfast buffet, as always, let me share how we got here. Previously, we flew China Airlines at 3:5900 in premium economy class from Taipei. Enjoy the flagship VIP lounge at Taipei T1 and on board a special new aircraft rent from Scandinavian Airlines. Check out the link below for the full report. Now back to the hotel. The location is perfect for shopping. Just take a look at all the shopping malls and stores around on the map. The lobby feels quite premium, featuring its signature staircase design. This hotel costs around only 150 Sing dollars per night. Not too expensive for this level. But how about the room? Our room today is 828. Upon entering, compared to the lobby, the room feels a bit dated and compact. There's a safe, a kettle, and a few packs of instant coffee. Inside the mini fridge, only a couple of small bottles of water are provided. On the other side, there's a closet with hangers, slippers, and a laundry bag. There's just one small table, which might not be ideal if you're here for business meetings. A single sofa chair is provided, and this is a twin room type. The bathroom is clean and includes all the essentials. Since this is a classic room, there's only a shower, no bathtub, but that's perfectly fine if you're here mainly for shopping. Good morning. It is time to try their breakfast buffet. It is true 5-star level. The continental choices is good to start a day. In general, Royal Plaza on Scott's is a classic premium hotel with reasonable value of it. However, if you'd like to enjoy the shopping vibes with good locations, you should consider this hotel and share for you. That's all for the hotel report today. In my next video, TreeMama flies China Eastern Airlines A350-900 in premium economy from Singapore to Shanghai Pudong. What kind of service can we expect on this 5-hour journey?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.